Documenting your assemblies and the components contained within them is extremely easy with bills of materials and automatic ballooning inside of SOLIDWORKS. Simply place a bill of material anywhere on your drawing or choose a predetermined anchor point in your title block. Ballooning is automatically accomplished with the Auto Balloon tool, and there are options for placement of balloons around the view. Order can also be predetermined based on either the assembly order or a nice clean sequential ordering. All balloons are placed on a magnetic line to keep the drawing neat and tidy. Balloons can be moved from one magnetic line to another. There are options for angle as well as equal spacing. This means there is less time spent placing the balloons and getting them exactly where you want them. The magnetic lines provide an easy-to-use tool that makes sure your drawing is as precise as you need it to be. The bill of material can be customized to your liking as well. You can expand the bill of material to see a list of components that have been detailed with balloons and thumbnails of each individual component. If your assembly contains sub-assemblies, you can expand those to show detailed numbering or a flat numbering sequence to create a flat bill of material. If you expand or collapse any sub-assembly, then the numbering will automatically update. You can also reorder your assembly in any order you desire. At any time, if you want, you can restore the sub-assemblies to their previous state, giving you complete control over which items appear or don't appear in your bill of material. Finally, you can create a parts-only list that details every single component in your design, combining like components. Much like Microsoft Excel, you can add new columns. These columns can contain custom properties found in SOLIDWORKS components. Columns can also be formatted like Microsoft Excel, giving you complete control over how your bill of material looks. You can sort by any column, in this case process and part number, and you can split your bill of material at any point. You can use this to create a detailed list of just purchased items, for example, and save this bill of material out in a Microsoft Excel format for use in purchasing or manufacturing. SOLIDWORKS provides a number of ways to customize your bill of materials and your balloons to give you precisely what you're looking for in your detailed assembly drawings. SOLIDWORKS applications provide great capabilities you can use right away for design, simulation, communication, and file management, to work faster and make your products better. Explore all the features in the demo library or contact your nearest SOLIDWORKS reseller.